All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Justmoparjoe. I got a quick and easy way of kind of tracking down some gremlins of sorts, and I thought I'd share it with you. You can kind of use this for most electrical stuff on these old cars. What I'm looking at is the horn, so let's check it out. All right, so to catch you up on this, 72 Roadrunner, father and son project. They brought it to me because it was not getting done after 10 years, and I see why. There's lots of little things that need to be sewn up on it, and I'm going to try to keep these videos short when I do them. I figured I would go ahead and just start working, find something, fix it, sort of deal. Today, I've got the dash out of it. Been working on it, and for now I just got the amp meter post just bolted together and black taped so I could do a little work on it. I turned my key on. I wanted to work on the horn. It can't be a Roadrunner without that cool horn. So you push the button, you can hear it click. So we know the horn solenoid's good in here. So we I like to work my way backwards. So we know it's working on this side. It's a horn relay, I'm sorry. Go to here, the wire is hooked up. Went ahead and unplugged it. I'll give it a test. All right, so working my way backwards. I've just got this hooked up here. Just a simple test light plugged into the end of it. Ground's hooked to the ground strap. I hit my button. Still nothing. Okay, so after that, got nothing there. I know it goes into this harness. These cars are pretty simple. We follow it along, and the color of that wire is green with a red stripe. There it is. So I went ahead and got out my meter here just to see if I could find some continuity between it somewhere. I'm not really sure what they had going on with the wiring on this car, but it is what it is. I got it there, so if there we go. Touch them together, it beeps. I'm gonna stick one in the end of this horn wire here. And I'm looking over here. I see two wires that have been cut. I can see that they're both green. I don't have any idea why they've been cut. That's kind of been the story with the whole car, is that some things just aren't right. That is the horn wire. So I know the power source should be going to that. I need to check and see if I hook up here. There's nothing on that one. Pretty simple stuff, but definitely on that one. So I know that wire is going to run to the horn. Is the horn any good? Let's test it. Alligator clips here. I like to keep these around. I'd like for it to be a little bit longer than this, but that's okay. So I'll clamp it on my horn, and I think I can reach the height of the alternator. There we go. We got a horn. So horn's good, power source is good. There's just a disconnect right there with those wires. Let's check it out. All right, so I went ahead and plugged that wire back in. It looks fine going through the harness. I've chased it over here, and I just stripped these back. One way you can do this, which is probably the best way, just get your test light. We know that one side goes to the horn, the other side has to go somewhere. You hold your test light on here, and you have your buddy honk the horn for you. I don't have any buddies here right now, so what I might actually do is hold those two wires together, give them a little twist, see if that fixes our problem. They literally are the same color. I know some cars came with dual horns, maybe it's dual feed wires or something, and somebody just snipped it right there. I have no idea why, but my horn's over there on this, and there's that, so we give it a try. Well, would you look at that? That's it. So it's kind of been the story on this car. you come to something and you wonder why doesn't it work, and then you just trace backwards until you find the reason. So there's several issues like that. I've got to find the wires that go to the spray bottle that hook to the windshield wiper reservoir. And it's got new squirters. I put those on the other day. They mount on the bottom of the hood. But little problems, and more little problems. But anyway, this car will be gone soon, Lord willing, and I can move on to something else.